So UPS gave me a call, said they were going to deliver my American Muscle part, which is the GT350 rear bumper with the diffuser, on Monday, which means I probably won't be able to get it painted to maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, and then probably won't get it back to Thursday or Friday. So it's safe to say that next weekend is when I'm actually going to be doing the install for that bumper. In the meantime, I'm going back to work. My school break is over, and I want to be able to shut my trunk without it being shifted to the left. So I do have the tail light assembly that I'm going to put on today, but in order for it to sit properly, this dent has to come out. And I'm trying not to get too close to it, but that dent has to come out. Alright, so I do have me 2 small pots of hot water. They were boiling on the stove. They're not boiling now, but they are steamy. So this is an experiment test to see if hot water helps pull out a dent. I'm going to end up putting my hand on the inside of the bumper to flex it out, but I'm going to put the hot water directly on the dent and pour slowly, and then try to push, and pour slowly and try to push, and try to repeat and see if any of this helps. See if it makes it flexible at all. Oh, I missed the bumper completely. Steamy. Oh, right off the bat I could tell that it was easy to push out. Now let's see if it's gonna stay out. Don't even look like I need 2. I don't know if you were able to. Oh, chihuahuas. It's my lead tank. That's my excuse. And that was easy to push out. Now it's not perfect, but the main dent is out right off the bat. I didn't even need that second pot. Since I didn't want to go through the insurance, I'm just fixing all the cosmetic pieces myself, and unfortunately there's a piece that I'm not going to be able to fix because I don't think it's cosmetic. It's a little structure. That's why my trunk sits a little to the left rather than to the right. So even after I get this piece on, there's still going to be a little gap here. Not too severe, but there will be, because right here, and I'm going to see if I can focus, right here where these welds are, there's 4 welds right here in this area, but you'll notice right here there's a crumple. You'll see the bend in the right there, that little bend. At first I thought it was supposed to be there, but then when you compare it to the other side, it's actually really flat. So these cross members underneath right here got bent, and when it did that, right here, it lifted up. You see that? So I mean, I guess an idiot like me would try pounding it in and see if it'll push everything back, but I don't want to risk further underlining this thing, so I just want to put it together and see how it looks after it gets put together.